Hey everyone, welcome back to App Insight. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook profile picture without notifying everyone. First, open the Facebook app and tap on the menu icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, head over to your profile by tapping on your name at the top left. Once you're on your profile, tap on your profile picture. From here, select Choose Profile Picture. Now, pick the new picture you want to use as your profile picture. I'll just select this one as an example. Here's the key part. At the bottom, you'll see an option that says Share your update to Newsfeed. Make sure to uncheck this box. By doing this, your new profile picture won't appear in your friends' news feeds, so they won't be notified of the change. Once that's done, tap Save, and your new profile picture will be updated without sending any notifications, and it will not appear in anyone's newsfeed. And that's it. Now you can update your profile picture on Facebook without anyone knowing. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to App Insight for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.